Are the birds saying anything?
No.
Why?
Because they are looking for me.
They're looking for you.
Yes.
Then why don't you get closer to the birds?
No, I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yes.
Okay. Did you say hello to the birds?
Yes.
Yeah, you did. Do you want to give some name to these birds?
Yes.
What names?
That bird.
Which bird? Sorry?
This bird.
One second. Once. Okay, that bird. What name do you want to give that bird? Can you get closer to the birds and show me which bird? Okay, what name? Okay, and for the other bird? What name do you want to give to the other bird?
I don't want to touch.
You're scared? Okay, don't touch. Just tell what name.
I'm thinking.
You're think.
Cycaloo.
What?
Cycaloo.
Cycaloo.
Yes.
Is that a good name?
Yes.
Okay. So it's confirmed. One.
Cycaloo.
Cycaloo.
Cycle.
Cycle? Why?
No, cycaloo.
It's okay. Appa will teach you how to feed these birds. Okay? These birds. Okay? Hmm?
I have to open this.
No.
What is that white one?
That white one is a ring.
Why?
It's a ring. The birds will sit on it and they will swing. It's like how Rhea swings in the park. Like that.
How will the bird swing?
The birds know how to swing.
How? They cannot hold their hands.
They cannot hold their hands. Okay. Then why don't you ask the birds to swing and show you?
How will I feed?
How you will feed? Do you want to feed these birds?
Yes.
Wow, very nice. And then?
I have to feed this bird first. Gumchu Pangadu.
And then?
And then cycle. I will feed.
You will then feed the cycloo also?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So both Appa and Rhea will take care of these birds? Yeah? Okay, great. So do you want to say anything to the people watching this video?
No.
Okay, thank you.